This is a quick overview of our Industrial IoT Demo application. This application is designed to show what could be done in the pulp and paper processing industry. It's made up of multiple processes talking to a server, and those processes are 8 in-memory databases that would be devices on equipment, and those in-memory databases then talk to gateways. There's 2 gateways, and those are in-memory databases as well. And as I said, those all then communicate up to a server. Let's fire this up now. The first thing I do is I load a Python script that starts off all of these various processes for the different databases and the applications run on the devices. Then I fire off this visual application, which will show what's going on at the devices. So here we go. I'm going to start off with showing you the network map of what the architecture looks like. As you can see, there are multiple devices talking to gateways, and these then talk to the server. You can click on each of these as part of the demo and learning what this does, and you can see things like the ports and the process IDs for each of these. When you look at the actual demo application itself, you'll see the individual devices on the equipment are in these 8 different boxes. These measure temperature, humidity, and vibration. You'll also notice that they flash red periodically, and that's because alerts have been set if they cross over or under certain thresholds. Those alerts can be set here under alarm thresholds, and then the actual range of measurements can be set here under device parameters. And you can see as it's counting up records and utilizing memory. I can also take them offline by either completely shutting down the device or just take them off the network. If they come off the network, you'll note that now it's starting to calculate how much time it can be off the network and still run in memory. This demo shows our Active Replication Fabric, and that built-in replication allows you to have disconnected devices, perhaps because of network disconnects. And you can see in this example, it's showing it can be down for about an hour and 45 minutes as it accumulates data with its own memory. Once it's brought back online, then it immediately sends all the data up to its gateway down here in the bottom right-hand corner, which then goes off to the server. You can go around and check each of these and play around with each of the parameters and see what they do. You can also take gateways on and offline, or even the server on and offline, or shut it down and see how it automatically handles it. These buttons at the bottom left-hand side allow you to stop it and start it, and you can look at various parameters that you click on. For instance, this particular one shows you a summary of all the different process IDs and port addresses. Next thing I want to show is a tool that comes with eXtremeDB called xPanel. And in particular with xPanel, you can do various things such as look at network traffic. So I want to show you the effect that active replication has. And I go to Performance Monitor here. And I'll choose this gateway. I'm going to watch what happens with this gateway. And then I'll watch network traffic over here on the far right. And you can see here's the network traffic as in the gateway as it's getting data from its 4 devices. And then it sends it off to the server. So going back to the demo, let's go over here and take the gateway offline. Say it's fallen off the network. And you can see each of the devices are now calculating how much they can remain offline and still accumulate data. If we go back to xPanel, you can see now there's no network traffic going on because we've shut off all communications with that gateway. Now I can go back over here and put it back online. And you can see now the network is flooded with traffic coming from the devices. hitting the gateway and filling the gateway's in-memory database, and that in turn is sent off to the server. So that is basically a quick summary of how this application works.